As we start this quarter of football, let's review the misplays of the Eide starting lineup. Sponsored by the Eide Automotive Group. Family and locally owned since 1981.
Jesse Peterson. What were the things again?
All right, Jesse, this is really easy. Just look right at the camera, see your name, your job title, where you work, something like this. Justin Harmon, Marketing Director, nominee for Eide Employee of the Year 2025. I didn't win. Still a little upset about it.
It's margarita time.
I don't know what to do with my hands.
All right, on the set. Oh, there we go. Okay, you're gonna have to count us down because we're both saying Eide Automotive. So we're going on one.
We're going on one. Eide Automotive.
All right, I'm done. Do we have a usable one yet, you think?
This concludes the misplays of the Eide starting lineup. Sponsored by the Eide Automotive Group. Family and locally owned since 1981.